In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io for email marketing. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to optimize your strategies, this step-by-step guide is designed to help you harness the full potential of Apollo.io for your email campaigns. Let's begin by opening your web browser. This might seem like a no-brainer, but getting comfortable with the basics is an essential first step. Once your browser is open, proceed to search for Apollo.io. It's a powerful platform tailored for marketers and salespeople, offering tools for lead generation, email marketing, analytics, and more. You can easily start by typing Apollo.io in your search engine, and you should see the website pop up in your search results. Click on the link to reach their homepage. Now that you're on the Apollo.io website, you'll need to log in. You have the choice to log in through your email or via a single sign-on service, as Apollo integrates with various SSO providers, offering flexibility for businesses of different sizes. Make sure you log in with the account linked to your marketing tasks to access all the features available to you. After logging in, direct your attention to the dashboard where you'll find the New Sequence button. Click on it, and this is where the magic really begins. Sequences are the heart of your email marketing on Apollo, allowing you to automate and streamline your communication strategies. You'll be presented with several options for your sequence type. You can choose to create from scratch, use the AI-assisted option for a more guided experience, select a pre-formatted sequence for common use case scenarios, or clone an existing sequence if you've got a blueprint that works wonders for you. Choose the option that best aligns with your needs and comfort level. Next up, it's time to give your sequence a name that captures its essence. This helps you stay organized, especially if you're managing multiple sequences. Set the times and days during which you want your emails to be sent. Timing can be crucial for engagement rates, so consider what works best for your audience. Don't forget to add your contacts to the sequence so that Apollo knows who should receive these emails. Adding steps to your sequence is like setting up milestones. You can include actions beyond just sending emails, such as scheduling follow-up phone calls or prompting LinkedIn connection requests, giving a multi-touchpoint approach to your outreach. We're almost done. The final big step is to add your email content. This is your chance to craft compelling messages that speak to your audience's needs. Once your emails are polished and ready, schedule them to go out according to your cadence plan. Then activate the sequence. Double-check everything to ensure smooth sailing. And there you have it. With your sequence activated, you've taken a powerful step toward optimized email marketing with Apollo.io. Keep an eye on the metrics and adjust your strategies as needed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.